I just received something in the mail, and this is it. Let's see what's inside. I was pretty excited for this. I had gotten this on eBay, and I'm interested to see. It's a used part for a Tesla, and let me get this open, and I'll show you guys what I got, and we'll see if I got a good deal on this, because I haven't seen it in person yet. And there we are. It is a spoiler for carbon fiber spoiler. This is an OEM one. I got it on eBay for $250. These are usually $1,500 from Tesla. Has a few small chips on it, but otherwise it looks to be in pretty good condition. It also has a little chunk that's taken out of the bottom side of it, right there. And but otherwise it's incredibly lightweight. I didn't realize how light this would be. When I was looking on eBay for these, I was expecting to get an aftermarket one, and I saw an OEM one that instead of the normal, bid it up, it had a buy it now price of $250, and looked to be in pretty decent shape. And so I just received it, and it is in good shape. There's the, I don't know if you can see it, let's zoom in on that. There's the Tesla part number. It's from a 2014 car, and I'm happy that I was able to get an original one of these, because I was always worried that the spoiler wouldn't look like, you don't know what you're getting with a aftermarket and what the fitment's gonna be. My car is like super dirty right now. However, there you go. Gives it that nice lip, and it fits perfectly. So I'm just gonna end up getting some 3M mounting tape, clean up my car obviously first, and get this thing mounted, and I'll show you a final installed look for it. But I do like the factory fitment. It like slides right into place and lines up perfectly. So yep, be back in a bit.
One eternity later.
Okay, so here it is installed. I ended up, there was a little chunk that had been taken out of it right in here from when the previous owner had removed it. Obviously he removed it wrong, because normally you just take a fishing wire and come across the whole thing and cut through all the double stick tape that's usually holding these on, and you wouldn't end up, taking a chunk out of it. You probably end up trying to lift it off, which isn't the right way to remove a spoiler or, any of that type of stuff either. But for only $250, when the factory one, this is a OEM, they charge $1,500 for these. I'm pretty happy, even though it has a few imperfections in the clear coat. I could have actually fixed that. They sell matte clear coat, and I could have sanded it a bit and resprayed it, but it doesn't bother me. And it's just going to get more of those, as a rock or whatever hits it over time, so not too worried about that. But it only weighs maybe a pound total, and I know that the aftermarket ones that you find on eBay are going to weigh more than that. Does it really matter on a car that's already, weighs as much as a pickup truck? No, not really. It doesn't matter how much these weigh, but if you care, it does only weigh like maybe a pound for the whole spoiler. And I do like the way that it looks. I'm happy that I was able to purchase it. These things usually go for like $600 or $700 on eBay. I don't know why he listed it for only $250 with a buy now, but happy he did. So there you go. Let me know in the comments below what you think of spoiler. If you like the spoiler. Some people don't like spoilers. You know, if you don't, let me know and why you don't like it. As far as mounting goes, I mounted it with 3M double stick tape, and this was like $10 for a roll. Fits right on the grooves that were already existing. So even if you do take off your spoiler, say you have one and you take it off, you can always put it back on with this stuff. It's the same stuff that they use from, you know, factory for most car trim, actually. So yep, that's it, guys. I'll see you guys later.